I am starting from a connected BigQuery source. The table is already synced, so the goal here is not another raw export. The goal is to turn the dashboard we review into an Excel workbook. So I ask for an export-ready dashboard. Purchase activity by source, country, device, and item context, plus a revenue field check so the workbook does not pretend the data is cleaner than it is. I am compressing the build step. Anomaly reads the BigQuery table, runs the checks, and builds the dashboard that we will export. Here is the dashboard. Before exporting, I want to see the actual analysis. Purchase activity is present, and the revenue field is called out separately. At the top, the useful split is simple. Purchase events exist, but revenue needs a field-level review before anyone uses this as a sales number. Then I check the breakdowns. These are the slices that should carry into Excel, not just a screenshot of one total. This review section is why I do the dashboard first. It tells the person opening the workbook what is ready to use and what still needs a tracking fix. Now I use Export Excel. I select the dashboard and the BigQuery table behind it, so the workbook is tied back to the reviewed source data. The export becomes an agent request. Create the Excel workbook from this dashboard, include the source table, and save the result to files. And here is the generated Excel workbook inside Anomaly. At this point, the analyst can preview it, edit it, or download it for the team that still wants the final output in Excel. That is the workflow. Start from BigQuery, build and review the dashboard, then export the checked result into an Excel workbook. Try it free. Link is in the description.